Hello and welcome back to the OnTeacher. Today marks our first in a series of collaborations with Scalextric4Schools, where we're going to be looking at designing the wheelbase for the body of the cars. We're going to break these down into simple videos rather than doing longer ones. So this is how to draw a wheelbase, and we'll show you how you can make it interchangeable if you wish to change the dimensions of your wheelbase. So it's left mouse button in red, right mouse button in blue. And we're going to start by doing sketch and clicking on front and then pressing the N key. Now, a Scalextric's tyre is roughly 21 millimeters, so the internal of our wheel arch we want to be 23. If we want it to be a bit bigger, we're going to go with 25. So I'm going to press circle, and above the center to the left of it, I'm just going to draw my circle out and I'm going to type 25. I'm then going to set it with a couple of dimensions. So the first one, the standard, the standard wheelbase is 40 millimeters from center, so it's 80 millimeters across the top. We're then going to click that line, that one, and change that to 8. So that shows you how much of your tire is going to be running below. So that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm then going to use the center or the corner rectangle and go from one side here and try. I've missed it, so we'll just try that again. So I'm going to find that center line there, and you'll see the dotted line comes out. That's what I was missing before. We've got the yellow there and there, and we're going to bring that across. Now my first dimension is of course 25, and the height I'm going to do is 12.5, and everything there should line up. So I can now go in and delete my parts. Now you will notice the bottom there has gone blue. The reason it's gone blue is we've got no dimension between the top there and that cent there. So as soon as I put that in, 4.5. Now the beauty of this is I can now change my wheel base. So if I go, just press escape and click on there. So if I want a smaller one, I want a 71, I can change that to 35. I can move it in. So we can go slightly wider, we can do 45. Okay, so that's perfect for changing the wheelbase. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm then going to just highlight everything here, press the mirror button, and select the mirror line. So I've now got 2. Now again, if I change 1, 35, we've now got from center to center a wheelbase of 70. I'll pop it back to 40. And I'm going to press the tick. Okay, so I'm just spinning that around there. We're now going to press extrude, sketch 1, and I'm going to extrude them to 30. Now at the moment it will come up part 1 and part 2. This is fine. We're now going to do another sketch on the front. Press the N. And I can do this as a center point rectangle. But I want to go above the point now. We'll sort out the center in a minute. And I'm just going to run that straight the way through. Now it's going to be 5 millimeters. Now your maximum here, pardon me, is 150. Your maximum. It doesn't have to be 150. I mean, 150 takes us to there. So that's your maximum. And all I'm going to do now is just click that line and type in a 0. And that's the start of my wheelbase. I need to press the tick. I'm going to click extrude, sketch 2, and we'll bring that out to 27.5. And now I'm going to then do add, merge with all, press the tick, and we've got our wheelbase. And again, if I go into sketch 1, I change that to 35, the whole thing updates. So it's just that one dimension now that you need to change to create your wheelbase. So that's part 1 completed. We did that in under 5 minutes. I've been the OnTeacher. This was Scalextric4Schools. Thank you for watching.